Hello kids, good morning. Welcome to Kids Millennium School, class LKG, subject English. Today we will read some words of vowel E. Let's start. H-E-N, hen. Here E is a vowel. P-E-N, pen. Here E is a vowel. T-E-N, ten. Here E is a vowel. J-E-T, jet. Here is a vowel. N-E-T, net. Here is a vowel. B-E-D, bed. Here is a vowel. L-E-G, leg. Here is a vowel. B-E-double-L, bell. Here is a vowel. W-E-double-L, well. Here is a vowel. Read aloud. H-E-N, hen. Here is a vowel. B-E-D, bed. Here is a vowel. D-E-N, den. Here is a vowel. N-E-T, net. Here is a vowel. T-E-N, ten. Here is a vowel. R-E-D, red. Here is a vowel. B-E-N, ben. Here is a vowel. J-E-T, jet. Here is a vowel. M-E-N, man. Here is a vowel. L-E-D, led. Here is a vowel. K-E-N, can. Here is a vowel. W-E-T, wet. Here is a vowel. P-E-N, pen. Here is a vowel. W-E-D, wet. Here is a vowel. G-E-N, gen. Here is a vowel. P-E-T, pet. Here is a vowel. So students, I hope sound of vowel E is clear to you. So you will read these words from your reading book. Thank you.